till the bass drop.
Anybody wants to say any moral or story or any mantra, whatever? Suraj Gandhi, what is the moral of today? Thought of the day. Yes. Suraj Gandhi, please come forward.
Please, only thought.
It's teacher's request. You have to accept it. You can't ignore it. So come forward. Thought of the day, moral काय जगाला
Thought of the day, an apple a day keeps a doctor away.
Latecomers, come forward. Come forward, please.
Doctor Abhinav.
And if the doctor is beautiful, keep the apple away.
पाहिजे आता तू निराश करू शकत नाही कोणाला. You have to come forward and Latecomers, you can't stand in the line. You have to come forward. We are making a new line for latecomers. हाँ नवीन लाइन मध्ये. Okay, now a prayer from Shweta Jog 2002 batch.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. दूर ज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तो हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे. हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे. बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण. फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन. अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना.
Live news.
Please, एक minute. Okay, one message from Girish, 97 batch. One joke come message.
Yeah, sure.
Good morning, everyone. So there is a small guy, and he's a Marathi vernacular medium guy, and the English teacher is writing on board. She's writing 70, 82, 89 and 99. And she's asking that Marathi, "Hey Gotya, वाच जरा काय लिहिलंय." So he starts. Shevanti is 70. Shevanti, 82, 82. 82, 89, 89. Neither nine. Okay. Again the teacher is asking, "Come, start." Shevanti, 82, 89, neither 9. Again, Shevanti, 82, 89, neither 9. You might be thinking, what Girish has gone bonkers or what? Why is repeating the joke again and again? We laughed for the first time. So, the message what I am trying to drive here is, for the joke, first time when we hear any joke, we laugh. For the second time and third time, there was no reaction from any one of you. So why do we crib on the same problem and again and again? Why do we crib? We have some problem. Why do we crib? Every time we crib. Again and again. We have, if just for example, there is we always eat this badi shop, okay? And sometime it gets clicked into one of the teeth or one of the tooth, okay? And then what happens? Every time the tongue goes on that side. Why don't we think our 31 teeth are normal? But every time the tongue goes there, right? Every time. So why don't we see the positivity around us? There are so many positivity around us. We have wonderful parents, we have wonderful teachers, but some problems, why do we play a blame game? Why do we always point on others? Rather than pointing others, see how we can change ourselves. There's a nice, I'll just end with half a minute. There's a wonderful concept called circle of influence and circle of concern. What is circle of influence? There's a bigger circle, which is circle of concerns. And a smaller circle is a circle of influence. What are the concerns? My boss is like this, my wife is like this, my husband is like this, my parents are like this, my kids are not listening to me, bus is late, train is late. Always we are giving excuses. But what is circle of influence? The circle of influence is, I can be more determined, I can be more patient, I can be more tolerant, I can be more humble, I can be more lovable. So this thing is within us. No one can stop you from being loving to others. No one can stop you from being determined. No one can stop you from being patient. So that's a small message. Thank you.
Let's come the regular line. Please stand aside. For boys, we have a line here on the left side and on the right side as well, right? That line is Abhinav Rawang. Your name is Abhinav, right? Bansali, Vivek Bansali. Help me out. मी कुणाचं नाव घ्यायचं राहिली असेल तर प्लीज मला सांगा. For girls, कोण क्लब झालाय? You came running, I saw you.